Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set schedule update for all plugin using custom code in WordPress, and we are going to update all plugin on specific day with specific time. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard and we are going to set schedule update for all plugin. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code, and this code will work for all plugin. And then in search plugin write wp code. So this is plugin wp code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it, and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select php snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see function to check for plugin update. So by using this section we are going to check plugin update, and then you see schedule the update check. Schedule the event to run every Monday at 2 am, and we are using 24-hour format. And then you see the schedule time in WordPress is based on the server time zone setting. And then you see WP schedule event next Monday weekly, and then you see 2 am, and we are using 24-hour format. On left side you see setting, and then you see journal, so open it. So this code will work based on server time zone setting. Now go to journal setting. Now you see our time zone is UTC plus 0. If your WordPress time zone is set to UTC plus 0 and you schedule an event for next Monday too, it will run at 2 am UTC. If your time zone is set to UTC plus 5, the same event will run at 2 am in that time zone, which correspond to 9 pm UTC the previous day. So our code will work on time zone setting. So you can set weekly day and time according to your requirement. And then you see add action, and then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active, and then click on save snippet. So this code will work for all plugin update. Now snippet created and saved. If you have any question then let me know. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.